Happy day 15. Happy day 15, you guys. I can't believe it's only 10 days until Christmas when you guys are watching this. 11 days for me since I'm always a day ahead. But I'm ready, starting to get ready to go to work. As you can see, little one is next to me. She totally knows when we're about to go to work. And if I tell her, okay, mommy's gotta go to work now, she like puts her ears down and like rolls over onto her tummy. She's such a sweetie. I wish I could take her to work every day, but you know, is what it is. So I have my new jacket on from, what was this called? From J. Crew. J. Crew. And then I just have all black on today and a leopard print, kind of like, that's why I have a leopard print headband because I have that there, but. Our Christmas cards came in today, and we did something different this year through Shutterfly. We had all of the card envelopes mailed, like printed on for us and mailed out directly from Shutterfly because we were a little late in getting our pictures together for a Christmas card, and it really worked out nice. And we sent ourselves one so that we could have one. And this was the front of our card, and then this is the back. And I really like how it turned out. And we're heating up some hot dogs right now because we're going to watch the Suns game with some hot dogs. Okay, day 15. Really? Mommy's gonna do the advent calendar. Do you wanna do the advent calendar real quick? She's like, actually, no. I would like to play, and that's about it. Okay, just preoccupied for a second. Day 15. Oh, someone's gonna be happy. Chris, it's Reese. Babe, guess what? It's your lucky day.
What?
It's a Reese. Nice. Okay, you guys ready for your advent calendars? You can't have the Reese, girlfriend. That's daddy's.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, ready? Your turn? Okay. And we're moving. Day 15.
It's so good.
The Reese? Oh, another green one. I wonder if these are all going to be green now. Interesting. Ready? Okay, let me break this up. It's hot dog time and Sun's time. Also, try not to judge the amount of mustard I put on my hot dogs. This is going to be the rest of my night. Watching the Suns game, and I'm about to start editing. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Say bye, Holly.
Bye, Ollie.